All right, I'd like to show you how you can take the video you've created recently on Wevideo and post it onto your website so it can look like this. And notice right here it is in its own holder, but I can play my video from right here. You can see right down here that it is in fact playing. And so I'll show you how to post it onto your Google site. First thing that I'm going to do for the purposes of this screencast is delete the video I have there currently. And then I'm going to go to my Wevideo account. Again, the best way is typically to go through your apps. And then that will load up. And many of you have noticed that when you go to this page, your project doesn't load. You may need to go to your exports. And here I find this video that I've exported. So I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to go down here to the share button and click there. And then I'm going to find the embed code by going right here. And I'm just going to leave the height and width the way it is right now. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to copy it. So I've just copied some HTML code that should help me to embed this particular video. So I'm going to go back to my Google site. And notice that I'm still in edit mode. I'll save it and go out of edit mode to make sure you're in the right spot. So I'm going to go into edit mode right here. Then I'm going to go into HTML mode by clicking right here. And if I could read HTML better, I might divide it up and put it right where I want it. But for now, I'm just going to put the code at the bottom. And once it's there, I can move it around the page. So I'm going to paste it right there. And there's the code that I just copied from Wevideo. I'm going to click on Update. And that code should have copied to the bottom here. In fact, let's just save and see where it is. So my video copied down here, it's a little bit too wide for my liking. This could work okay. You might like that. But if I look at all the other stuff on my page, it's a little bit too wide. So while it did embed properly, I could change the size of it if I wanted to, if I wanted to take the time to do that. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. If you'd like to play around with that, you can scroll up to the top of the page, go back to edit mode, and then you can click on the wheel right here, and it does give you the option. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the width and height of similar items and try to match it up. So I'm going to pause while I do that, and in a minute you'll kind of see my result. So as you can see, I've moved my video right up here, and I'll show you what I did in terms of changing the ratio so that it fit a little bit better onto a two-page view. So I'm going to actually need to move this because this got out of place. Let's see. Make that look a little nicer. That's to the map. So the ratio 500 by 280 matched the original ratio that Wevideo provided, and it made it fit there, and it kept the screen view so it wouldn't cut off any of my video or make it look funny. I'll also just make that uniform across the top, and now my video is posted successfully right onto my web page, and I can play it right from here. All right, please email me if you have any questions about that.